When I started playing golf, it was when I was about 4 years old. My grandpa gave me my first set of clubs. I didn't start playing competitively until around 8th grade. The only thing I did beforehand was just, playing with my dad or my grandpa, just going out in little clinics during the summertime. There was a time in high school where my dad just knew I was pretty good, so he was like, I think we should just start looking at schools and see what opportunities you have in the future. So that's when I started looking for colleges. The most difficult thing was definitely time management. I really had to learn about, organizing which classes, the time to go to class, the time to spend extra hours studying, and then also practice, and then coming home and, showering and getting ready for bed and doing it all over again. It was definitely a difficult transition, especially because I really missed home a lot my freshman year. It was not what I really expected. It was a lot more.
I think Christy's just a classic case of someone all the way through her freshman to senior year. She's gotten better every single year, and that's happened from just consistently working hard. She continues to set really good goals for herself, is very good at evaluating her game and figuring out what she needs to work on, how she's going to go about that. She does a lot of that on her own. She's very good about asking questions or trying to figure it out or to find the resources to do it, and that's why she's improved and gotten better.
I would say I've really improved a lot, especially mentally. Freshman year I was very immature, and I feel like senior year I've kind of upped that in my maturity level. And especially in my play, I think it all came from just maturing, and then you started to see my numbers go lower and lower and lower.
I think she always exudes a lot of great confidence, but I think she's just consistently more confident, and she has worked very hard on her mental game, and I think that that's taken her kind of to that next level. She spoke about her maturity a little bit, and we've definitely just seen her to really come into being a great player week in and week out.
When we started my senior season, I was a little shaky at first. I think it was just because it's like, oh my gosh, it's my last season, but I think overall I've relaxed a lot, and especially the spring season has become one of my top seasons I've had at Iowa.
Yeah, I think it's important, like she said, just to keep doing what she's doing. She's striking the ball really well, she's putting well, and she's just continuing to kind of sharpen all those things that you want to do this time of year. We're obviously getting outside, and so we're very excited to be on the grass, and we've played some nice warm places, so a lot of wedge work and just kind of making sure she's getting out and playing a lot I think will be really important. There's nothing really in her game that she needs to get after and fix, so it's just a matter of just continuing to go out and playing a lot of holes and building that confidence, and we just want to make sure that she just goes in there and does what she's been doing. There's no extra pressure, there's no extra, it's just a matter of going out and being Christy Cardwell and playing her best golf that she can.